Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an intro to my very own project pan video. Yay! I am starting it now, May 8th-ish, and I'm probably gonna let it run until August 8th. Okay, let's say that. Ugh. Sorry, I'm distracted by all the bugs in my room that have suddenly been appearing, which is super disgusting. But yes, so I picked out 10 products. You can do this for any project pan that you start or do. If you haven't heard of project pan, I will try and find an intro video, but basically you pick 10 products, you pick a start and an end date, and which is like 10 or so weeks or so. I'm picking, I don't know, like almost a significant summer, but yes, and you just go and use them up. So these are products that are going to be put into my makeup bag, which I don't know if I'm gonna film after this, but we'll see. My current makeup bag, and I'm gonna use them up from now until August 8th. And I will keep a list, and I will try and do at least 1 or 2 update videos on how this is going. I will try and also post updates on my Instagram about how this is going. I want to join into some other project pans so you might see them, and I want to use up a lot of products this year. But yeah, let's just jump into this project pan and show you the products I picked out. So first product that I picked out is this Juan body lotion. You may recognize this if you've been following me for a little bit. This was a product that won't leave, that from my Mean Girls project pan. If that video is, my finale video is up, I will leave that in a link in the cards above. But yes, I'm starting about there, and I intend on finishing this by the time this project pan finishes, so I will make sure and mark this off. And yes, I feel like I'm gonna do really good, and if I do, I will try and rotate in another product or work on something else. The next product that I'm pulling into my project pan is this It Cosmetics CC oil-free matte foundation. This is what the packaging looks like. As you can tell, I've been squeezing it out slowly. I haven't cut it yet. I fully intend on cutting it because the packaging tapers, but yes, I feel like I am like right about there with usage, and yeah, I feel like there's still a significant amount in this packaging even though I flattened it out. But yes, right there. I use it in the color medium. I do have it on today, but I mean, it's been a long day, long day. But yes, I intend on finishing this in this project pan, and when I do, I am also going to be using up my Joe BB cream. This was inspired by K Beauty. It's a beauty balm, so it's not a full coverage foundation. It's about light to medium coverage. It does look really pretty good on me. It's a little more orange than I would have liked, but I do want to finish this up since I do have a number of foundations open that I would like to finish up. But those are the 2 foundations that I will have in this project pan. Next, I am going to use up this perfume. This is the Vera Wang Preppy Princess perfume, rollerball perfume. This is the progress that I'm at right now, and I will remember to mark all the bottled stuff after this video so we can all know where we're at. But yeah, I just want to use this up, get this out of my collection. I've loved it. This is about the time I kind of wish YouTube had smell-o-vision so you could smell this. It's definitely like has a preppy smell to it, but yes, really smells good. I've enjoyed Vera Wang very much so, but I believe this is also discontinued, so yes, I will be needing to use this up and wanting to use that up very soon. Next up in here is my blush from MAC. This is what the packaging looks like. It is called Darkly My Dear from the Villains collection, released in 2009, 2010 or so. this is the progress that I have made on it. I have hit significant pan on it, and this plastic thing keeps detaching, so that's why I keep holding it in. But yes, as you can tell, I've made significant progress on it, but I am looking to finish this blush and to start onto a new blush. So there is that. Next up in here is my Rebel lip balm. I have this in my lip service project pan for the year, but this is what that looks like. As you can see, it's flattening and it looks like I'm pretty close to being done, so hopefully that will definitely be the case. And the progress I make on it will be great. If I finish everything in this project pan, that will be amazing, and I will be totally psyched, and I will definitely rotate more products in and keep this going and see how it goes. Maybe I'll call this revolving project 10 pan. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. This is my MAC Angel lipstick. This is the progress. I hope to finish this up. I'm not going to be zigging it out. I just want it to get it to flat so I can't use it anymore. But yeah, I really do enjoy this. This is the color I'm wearing on my lips right now. It's a My Lips But Better look. But yes, I have enjoyed that. Next, ooh, stretching, sorry. This is the Butter London eyeliner, pencil eyeliner in Earl Grey. This was also in my Mean Girls project pan. And this is what that looks like. I have it on the corners of my eyes right now. Sorry, I look a little crazy. But yes, that is what I've been wearing lately. Right there, and it hasn't smudged on me and doesn't run, so yes, I love it. Another lip product that I'm putting in this project pan is this Essence lip gloss in Glamour to Go. This is what that looks like. I'm about right there on this, so I will have to be wearing this a little bit more to make a little bit more progress. But yes, I've enjoyed this so far. And the last thing in this project 10 pan is this Maybelline color tattoo in Barely Branded. This is what that looks like. It looks awful. I have been trying to revive it and use it on finish it up. But yes, I feel like I'm making pretty good progress on it, and yes, I've marked it on the bottom previously. I have a mark over here, I think. But yes, I will continue to use this. I'm using it as a base today and have been using it as a base for a little bit. But yes, those are the 10 products that I want to use up in this revolving or project 10 pan. I don't know what I'm calling it. But yeah, I hope that you guys are having a great day. If you like project 10 pan videos, let me know down below. If you've participated in them, let me know. And what you guys are looking forward to. If you'll be doing a project 10 pan, I would love to watch your videos and know more about you. I love growing our community. But yes, please keep up with me on social media. I'll try and remember to post more and things like that, and subscribe and all that stuff. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye.